Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Savvy. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to archive all your posts on Instagram at once. So let's dive right in. First, open up the Instagram app on your phone. And once you are on Instagram, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. And then tap on the three lines at the top right corner. And once you are in the settings, you have to simply tap on your activity. Once you are here, you have to simply scroll down and you will see an option that says posts. Simply tap on it. This will bring up all the posts you have ever uploaded. To archive them all at once, tap on select at the top right corner of your screen and then select them all one by one. Once you have done that, simply tap on archive. Tap on archive again. And that's it, a simple and quick way to archive all your Instagram posts at once. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Tech Savvy for more helpful content. And I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.